I think that just gaining information by any means necessary when you're barbecuing is important. You know, you can get ideas, good or bad. Knowing what to do and where to find information is you go online, you can read books, you can ask fellow barbecue people about what they're doing. And it's really about building your taste for barbecue and what you like. You know, it's just like wine or beer or any other type of food. If it tastes good to you, it tastes good, and that's what you should go for. You know, if you like a sweeter sauce with your barbecue, if you want more charcoal or more hardwood with your barbecue, it's like go with what your taste buds are telling you. That's going to be the best thing for you. I think that when you're barbecuing, it should be what's your comfort level and really what are you trying to get to with your barbecue. It's like, are you fielding large amounts of people, or are you just going to be doing it with your family and just having a great time with it? And that's going to tell you and give you the idea of what products you need to actually barbecue with. So, you know, you can spend a lot of money on, you know, some great barbecue equipment, but I think the best way is to start off slow, get your timing down, get everything down where you're actually producing a great product, and then you buy better equipment, and it makes it easier for you, and then you start to really become a student of the game of sorts. I think barbecue is just like everything else. It takes a little bit of commitment to it, and just like playing a guitar, or if it's like playing the piano, or just working with a piece of equipment, you know, it takes practice. And it's trial and error, but always trust your taste buds and always go with what you're thinking and trust your gut on a lot of those things too. You know, you can become a great barbecue person.